All right, we're live.
We are live.
Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Bam! Where we're going to make tonight the naked burrito casserole.
That's right.
Even we can do it.
Even the brothers can do it. And if we can do it, anybody can do it.
All right.
So what do we got?
I'm going to walk you through what the ingredients are, and my bro is going to show you what they are, and then we're going to build it, and we're going to put it right in the oven, and we'll come back to show you the final results.
That's right. It's going to be good.
We've never done this before, so it may not turn out. All right, first thing we have is our ground beef seasoned with taco seasoning.
Right.
Then we have our diced tomatoes, and we have our eggs slightly beaten. We also have some cilantro chopped to taste. We have our shredded lettuce, and we also have our oven preheated at 400 degrees.
That's right. And we're going to put it in this bad boy. Now, the recipe calls for a 9x9 pan, but we didn't have one or couldn't find one. So we're winging it. We did a little bit more than the recipe called for, and we're going to put it in a little bit bigger pan. It just means more for us to eat. All right.
All right, first thing we do is spread your beef into your pan.
All right.
So you
Here we
spread
go.
it. All right.
Hang on. Let me spread it. Let me get it around in the pan.
All right.
Ooh, that's a pretty big pan. I don't know.
It's going to be a little light on the beef. Maybe.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Who would have known? All right. So now goes in our chopped up tomatoes.
Okay. Spread these around a little bit.
Get a little bit of everything on there. Nice. Now you're going to pour the beaten eggs in.
Okay. Here we go.
Pour the beaten eggs. Good, good. Looking good. I'm observing. I'm telling them what to do like
You're
normal.
the quality control.
Yeah.
Usually this is the other way around. I'm telling you what to do, but
Okay, cilantro goes in next, sprinkled to taste.
all right.
That looks good. So now we're just going to slide this bad boy in the oven.
I don't know if you can see that.
Oh,
Don't spill it. Don't spill it, he says.
All right. So we're going to slide that into the oven. I got it ready for you, brother.
Okay, you ready? And little rack,
Yeah.
I think. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes to show you the results. Could be ugly. I don't know. How do I end it? End it. Finish.